What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing an impromptu video on my iPhone just because my camera battery died. So there won't be any cuts or edits. This will be like raw Shari, like straightforward. I just got home and I received the Boxycharm for, what are we in August now? So I just wanted to jump into it and show you guys what I got. The first thing I noticed is, what I started to look for is to know a little bit about the theme and then just to take a look at what number I got. I know that there are different kinds that are out there and I got number 1. So the theme is life of a party and there are some beauty influencers on the front. And then Smashbox and Laura Lee are giving 20 and 25% off with the code Boxy20, and then LLA Charm 25 for Laura Lee, I guess for her palette. So I'm guessing that's one of the first things that's in there, which it is, and it retails for $19. It's called the Party Animal. Oh, this is bright. I didn't know we were getting a bright palette. Okay, so this is in here. I'm really excited to try this blue. Even this purple is really pretty too. The green is called It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hangover. Those are the names of the palette. I'm not really into bright palettes like this because, to be honest, I don't know. I'm just never really excited for like bright palettes. But this is something to play with, and it will take me definitely out of my comfort zone. It also has a mirror, which is surprising. But this retails for $19, and this is from the beauty guru from YouTube, Laura Lee, and I guess she started her own like eyeshadow palette line or cosmetics line. So this was in there, and it came in like a little plastic bag, whatever. The next thing I noticed is this House of Lashes. I'm really excited for this. This is the style Siren. I have always wanted to try House of Lashes, but I'm not really that crazy about spending money on indie brands because you just kind of never know what you're gonna get, and I learned the hard way with KKW's line. So, but these are really pretty lashes. I don't usually wear fluffy, wispy like that are so extended, so I'm excited to try different things. So the next thing is a Smashbox lip product. This is the color Bombtastic, and I'm staring at it like that because I took the new test. So if anybody who's subscribed to my channel as a Boxycharm person knows, they have this new thing where they're trying to pay attention to the test, and I was just hoping I wasn't going to get a shade like this because, like, let's be honest, who's wearing this? I don't even understand why they make bubblegum pink anymore. Oh my god, the detailing on this is phenomenal. So it looks wet. I don't even want to touch it, but it's got like shapes of drops on it. It's really cool. I wish I could. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think so. Sorry, my nails look gross. I'm having a rough week of trying to push through. If anyone's interested in this lipstick or wants to trade, holler at me in the comment section because Bombtastic is just not a color that I would see myself wearing. Like, I'm not like a bright pink person. So that lipstick retails between $21 to $24. So yeah, the next thing I got is the Wonder Baggage. Oh, there's a couple Baggage Claim eye mask. Wow, that's amazing. I love when they send a couple so you can really get an idea of what you're getting. This retails for $13. I'm guessing each one is $13. I know Sephora started carrying this brand. I'm really interested in this because I love when they send skincare because it's very rare. I love makeup, but I would like a even amount of like new skincare and makeup. But this is really cool. I'm excited for this, and it's gold too. All right, the next thing I got is the Bang Bang chocolate eyeliner. Okay, Bang Beauty is the name, and then I got a chocolate eyeliner. This retails for $22. Okay, so this is, oh, my top was like off. Okay, so this is what I got, and this is the color. Oh, it's a gel eyeliner. That's interesting. I wonder if I could use this for eyebrows. And it says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? Oh no, which, whoa. Okay, so you can use this for eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or to touch up brows because I guess it's creamy. I'm excited to use this for brows because I've been wanting a pomade. I don't know if I'm willing to give up powder yet. I've always loved powder, so I will definitely be trying this one out too. And then the last thing I got is from the brand Adesse, Adesse. I don't know if anybody's familiar with that. This is the brand, and then it has sweet almond cuticle oil, organic infused age-defying nail treatment. I am a nail junkie. I remember one time, oh, this is exciting. The ice cream man is out late tonight. So it's 12 free, and it doesn't contain DBP, That's what I say to that. I'm excited to try this because I don't know if anyone remembers. I've been with Boxycharm for probably well over a year. And I loved when they sent that nail kit last summer. That was my shit. Oh, this drinks up my dry ass cuticles very well. Okay, I would love to put this in my toes too. And that completes this video, guys. This is an entire box. Every month there's always one thing that I'm not that excited for. I love that they try different things. I'm excited for the eye mask. I'm definitely the most excited. I think this is probably the most thing I'm excited, and also the lashes. And then there's always a hit or miss. It's better than receiving a bunch of crap. I feel like every month it just continues to get better, or they're trying new things. So that's what I love about Boxycharm. If you're interested in trying Boxycharm, I have listed my referral code. I don't make any money off of it. It's just I think I get points for it, and then you can hop on board too if you're interested. But that completes this video, guys. That's everything that came in my Boxycharm. If you want to trade Bombtastic, then please let me know, or I'll try to sell it myself. But I think this is about 100, so 19 plus 12 plus 21, 13. It's about, give or take, $120, $130. This is a lot of product. And if you think about it, like makeup wise, you know, if you go to Sephora, this is $100 easily on 4 things. So it's nice to spend $21 and be able to try things, especially when it comes to skincare and your nails. So Boxycharm, if you're watching this video, please continue to send nail products. It excites me personally. And just pay attention to the test, because pink lipstick on a brown skin girl like this is definitely not the wave. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you next time, next month, probably next week. Bye.